All right, guys, we're at Bloomingdale's, and although the elevators are 3,300, this one is a Haughton escalator. Nice. We got a Haughton escalator. My very first Haughton escalator. This is awesome. And I also see the older logo as well. That font, is that an older font that I see right there?
Quite possibly, yes.
It kind of is, actually. Anyways, I'm not going to go all the way up because for time limitations, and also the escalators are pretty much the exact same. So we're just going to go up and come back down. How does that sound?
Sounds good, Jim.
Yeah, I'd much rather do that. Okay, where's the how do I get to the down escalator? I have to talk over the music as much as I could. The other way around? No, this way around?
Yep, this way right here.
This way around. Okay. I see I see the down escalator. Yep, I just saw it to my right off camera. So we're gonna go ahead. Yep, both Haughton escalators. Yep, that's right. Haughton, this is awesome. We got a Haughton. So not only I saw a Haughton elevator, but a Haughton escalator.
Yeah, man.
I apologize for the excitement, guys, but this is I don't know what to describe. First we saw a Haughton elevator, and now a Haughton escalator. I really want to get a picture of that logo. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.